to Athena.lol. Today I'm going to be doing dancing rice, but it's impossible and I have no idea how I'm going to do it. But my mom is going to help me show how to do it. So first up, we're going to be needing glass jar. And guess what? I have a Minnie Mouse keychain. Cute. It's cute. So we're going to be needing a jar. How do we spell jar? It's J-A-R. So now we have a jar. So I'm going to need this jar.
No, we have like 5 jars.
Wait, what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, we have 5.
5 jars. Okay, the next thing we need is water.
The next thing we're going to be needing is water. How do we spell water? It's W-A-T-E-R. Water! For the next thing we're going to be needing is food coloring. How to spell food coloring is F-O-O-D-C-O-L-O-U-R. Food color.
What color do you want to use?
I think I'm going to move it over here so it's more easier to get it. So guys, I'm going to be needing this. For the red color is this one because the first. And the orange is the second one. Now I'm going to use some. How many there is in there?
You have 2 already.
So now I only have 3 more. So I'm going to have yellow, pink, blue because there's only 3 more and I decided it. Oh yeah, guys, do you know why there's this? Because I did a slime video with this. Pink, yellow, blue. Okay, I'll be putting red first because that's the first color of the rainbow, right, Mommy?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Oh.
That's a lot, okay.
You could put 1 more drop.
Yeah, that's enough. And then, orange. I'm going to put 2 drops instead. Ooh, so hard. 1, 2. Now for ink. 1, 2. Now for the yellow. Ooh, it's looking pink already and red and yellow and orange. This is like a yellow color. This is like an orangey yellow color, right, Mommy?
It won't go yellow. I think
Yeah.
it's just condensed.
Because they're almost like the same color. Oh, I can see them at the bottom. It looks so cool. Now for blue. Woo! Now mixing time. I'm going to use the stick because it's right there. It's easy to mix. Ooh, mix the red up. Mix the red up. Ooh, whoa. Look, guys. It's working. I can see the last drop wiggling still. Okay, now for the next one. Whoa! Whoa! Look at the orange. Whoa, that's cool. Now for the pink. Wow, the pink color is so pretty. Right, Mommy?
Mm-hmm.
Whoa, so pretty. Now for the yellow. I'm going to mix this on. It was so hard. Whoa, the yellow. Now for the blue. Whoa, it looks like the sea. At the bottom it's like darkish and at the top is blue. Okay, I'm done mixing. Next one we're going to be needing is baking soda. How to spell baking soda is B-A-K-I N-G-S-O-D-A!
Yay!
Baking soda. So how many scoops do we need? Now we're gonna be needing 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Whoa! It's like looking like a mountain when you're pouring it. Also, it looks like sand. I'm gonna put in the rig. The whole thing?
The whole thing.
Whoa! I see it. I see the little sparkles in it. I have no idea how we're gonna make this right there.
Okay.
Now I'm gonna be mixing red first. Na 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 na. Dee 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 dee. Enough. Dee 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 dee. Enough. Whoa! When it's spinning, it looks like a tornado. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Yeah, now guys, we're gonna be needing rice. How we're gonna spell rice is R-I-C-E. Now we're gonna be needing quarter of a cup. Whoa! Guys, look how's it look. I see the rice already red, orange, pink, yellow, blue. Now guys, we're gonna be needing vinegar. Now how we're gonna spell vinegar is V-I-N-E-G-A-R. Vinegar!
Yay!
We're gonna be taking this thing and pour it in. Enough?
Yeah, wait. A little bit more.
It's not dancing. Oh, wait!
Oh.
Oh my gosh, it was rising.
Oh no, we failed again.
Let's try this one.
You want to try that one?
Yeah, I'll see if this one works. I'm gonna put it.
Careful. Maybe we should mix the rice first.
Oh my gosh, it's rising. That is about to flow. The bubbles.
Maybe we used the wrong rice. Oh!
That was epic! Is that the right rice?
No, we're just gonna try putting this in there.
What is that?
It's called Quinoa. Quinoa.
The whole thing?
Yeah, try put it in there first.
Let me mix it.
Let go.
Oh, the quinoas are dancing only.
Oh, okay, so it works with quinoa.
It's like spinning. Oh, they're dancing. Ooh, they're like this. Oh, yeah. I'll put some. I'll put it in. I'll put it in.
Did you put it in here already? Vinegar?
No. They're dancing! Let me mix them to more dancing. They're dancing! They're dancing. Let me put some more in the pink one so I can dance. They're dancing on their own. Look, they're dancing! Look, they're dancing. Oh. Mommy, look, they're dancing. Oh, I think you add too much. Let me mix it. Look, they're dancing. This one is going like this. The pink one is going like this. And then the other ones are like cannonballing. Like that. Oh, let me mix this part so it's not too like jumblies. Oh, now they're dancing. They're like this. The right one's like this. Yeah. 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 The rice that we used didn't work. So this worked.
The reason rice didn't work because it was too heavy.
Yeah, it was too heavy. Na 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 na. So guys, we end up using quinoa instead of rice because the rice was too heavy and these ones were tiny and not heavy, so they could dance.
They float.
Yeah, and they're still dancing. What? But the blue one is out of here. It didn't work. How do we spell quinoa? It's Quinoa. Quinoa.
Yay!
They're dancing!
Okay, let's try putting vinegar on all of them and see what happens.
Yeah. They're dancing! Oh, they're dancing! They're like this. Oh, yeah! Oh, they're dancing! Mommy, look, they're dancing tiny.
Oh!
Oh! Cooking. Mommy, guess what? The rice underneath it is actually cooking. Mommy, they're dancing even more! Except the blue one. Hi guys, after an hour this is still dancing. The red, the orange, the pink, yellow.
Isn't that amazing?
Yeah, I can't believe it. Maybe because we put too much vinegar.
Maybe.
Yeah, because we are. Bye guys, I hope you guys had fun. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button, hit the like button. Bye, wait guys.